Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn NCERT class 4th EVS chapter 20 Eating Together. Key concept of this chapter: importance of community eating or eating together, types of festivals, names of various festivals and their importance, especially Bihu of Assam, midday meal scheme. These all topics we are going to cover in this video. Types of festivals. Festivals are divided into three categories: national festival, religious festival, and harvest festival. First is national festivals. National festivals are the pride of every country. On the occasion of national festival in India, the government declared that day as a national holiday throughout the country. These are three: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Next is religious festival. Religious festival are celebrated particular on that religion like Diwali, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Holi, Dashera, Janmashtami. These all are the example of religious festivals. Next is Harvest Festival. Harvest Festival is a celebration for the food grown on the land. The particular region of the country celebrate Harvest Festival. Like Bihu is the festival of Assam, Onam is the festival of Kerala, Pongal is the festival of Tamil Nadu, Basant Panchami, Makar Sankranti and Lori are the festival of North India. First is Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. During the month of August and September, the people of Kerala celebrate Onam. They held snake boat race and they prepare a special dish known as sadhya, and it is served on banana leaf. Second is Pongal. Pongal is the festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated in January. It is also known as Thai Pongal. It is celebrated for 3 days. The rain god is worshipped on the first day, the sun god on the second day, and the cattle on the third day. Next is Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is celebrated in the northern state of India in the month of January. This festival marks the end of an unfavorable phase and the beginning of a holy phase. Next is Lori. Lori is celebrated in Punjab. It is celebrated in the month of January. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is celebrated in Punjab in the month of April. Wheat crop are the harvested at this time of the year. Now children, we know that people eat together during parties, festivals, marriage and other celebrations. Now, Bihu is the festival of harvest. It is the festival of Assam. This is the Assam. This area, this red area is known as Assam, and Bihu is the festival of Assam. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how the people of Assam celebrate Bihu, what kind of dress they wear, what kind of food they cook on that day. Bihu is the set of three important non-religious festivals in the Indian state of Assam. There are three types of Bihu: Bhog Bihu and Kathi Bihu, Magh Bihu. Bhog Bihu celebrated in the month of April, Kathi celebrated in the month of October, and Magh Bihu celebrated in the month of January. Before Bihu, Assamese people start building two structures called Mezi and Bhelagar. These are the temporary structure. These are made from bamboo and straw. There is a difference between Bhelagar and Maji. Bhelagar is a normally just like a ghar, but Maji is a cone-like structure. This is the difference between Bhelagar and Maji. These are the temporary structure made by the people of Assam to celebrate the Bihu. Now, Urka. Urka, the night before the Magh Bihu is called Urka. On that night, the people of Assam, they prepare different kind of food like laru, petha, roasted sweet, potatoes, cook bura rice, meat, fish, cheva rice, and vegetables are also cooked for Urka feast. That night, the people of the Assam dance whole night, and next day they burn that magi. These are the dishes that are cooked on Urka. Bihu is the dance of Assam. Now, the dress, what the kind of dress they wear on that day. Women wear pat and makla chadar, and men wear dhoti and salong and gamcha, as you can see in this picture. Magi is burned in the next day in the morning. When Urka night and the next day in the morning, the people of Assam burn that Magi and Bhilagar. Midday meal scheme. Midday meal scheme is a program run by the government of India to design better nutritional standing of school age children. Midday meal scheme aim is to avoid classroom hunger, increase school enrollment, increase school attendance, improve socialization, and address malnutrition. Now children, some question answer related to this chapter. Question number 1. Which of the following is a harvest festival? Diwali, Bihu, Eid, Republic Day. It is Bihu. Bihu is celebrated in Punjab, Kerala, Assam, Bihar. The correct answer is Assam. A house made to celebrate Bihu is Belagar, Bharatghar, Bijlighar, none of them. The correct answer is Belagar. This is the structure of Belagar. Special rice cooked to celebrate Bihu are called khichdi, biryani, pulao, cheva rice. It is known as cheva rice. Special meal given to children in schools is called dinner, feast, midday meal, none of them. It is midday meal. Belagar is made of bamboo and straw, mud and stone, mud and straw, none of them. The correct answer is bamboo and straw. The first day of Bihu festival is called Bora, Urka, Reva, all of these. The correct answer is Urka. Which is the capital of Assam? Mizoram, Dispur, Itanagar, none of them. The correct answer is Dispur. Now children match the following. Here there are several festivals given. You have to match the festival with the state. Suppose Bihu is the festival of Assam, Onam is the festival of Kerala, Lohri is the festival of Punjab, Pongal is the festival of Tamil Nadu, Makar Sankranti is the festival of Uttar Pradesh. Next is true and false. A. Belagar is a temporary shed of grass and bamboo. It is true. Bihu is celebrated as new rice crop is harvested. It is again true. The first day of Bihu is called Mezi. It is false. Cheva rice is prepared on Christmas. It is again false. Cheva rice is prepared on Bihu. People eat together during festivals, marriages, and parties. It is again true. Now, question number 12. When is Magh Bihu celebrated? Magh Bihu is celebrated in the month of January on 14th and 15th of January by the people of Assam. Which temporary structure are made by people of Assam during Magh Bihu celebration? The people of Assam made Belagar and Mezi. What is Belagar made up of? Belagar made up of bamboo, straw and dry leaves. Which are the festival you celebrate together with other families member? These are Deepavali, Holi, Eid, Gurupurab, Christmas are some of the festival we celebrate together with other family members. When do Assamese celebrate Bihu? Why is Bihu a special day in Assam? Magh Bihu is the harvest festival celebrated by the Assamese people in the month of Magh during midday January on 14 January to 15 January. It is a special day in Assam because at this point of time the farmer harvests their crops. What is the meaning of Urka? What do women wear on Urka? The night before Magh Bihu is called Urka. It is the night of feast. Women wear beautiful pat and muga and makla chador on this auspicious occasion. What is being cooked in a village on Urka? On Urka, the whole village gather for the community feast. They make petha, roast sweet potatoes, cook bora rice, meat, fish, chiva rice, and vegetable are also cooked for Urka feast. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.